Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandemonium. It is a nice, beautiful sunny day here in Post Falls, Idaho, but unfortunately not everybody has beautiful skies today. My friends and family back at home in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina are dealing with a Category 2 hurricane, and that is so unfortunate. I hope everybody is safe. I know there was a mandatory evacuation and a lot of people have left, but I believe there's still like 40% of the population that has decided to stay and ride out the storm. And unfortunately, some of my friends have as well. And it is a bit dangerous because Category storm winds, I believe the winds are at 105. And once the winds get to 60 miles per hour, no one is going to be there to help anybody out if something happens or you get in any trouble. They're supposed to have 6 to 20 inches of rain, and they're already starting to get rains from the outer bands of the storm. It's a huge storm. Now the storm surges, which are the waters that come in, can get anywhere from 7 feet to 9 feet, what they're predicting anyways. I just wanted to send this out. I did have a video coming out today, but I decided to put this out instead. This is a live update, and I just wanted to send a message out to everybody in South Carolina and the surrounding areas. I hope you're safe if you decided to stay and weather out the storm. I've been through several hurricanes and been through this before. I was there for Hugo, which was a really bad storm, and it was a Category 4 or 5, and it did cause a lot of destruction. The last hurricane I was there for, I did decide to stick around, and I didn't stay at home, and I was actually renting a place there at the time. I wasn't at my house, but I decided to go to stay with my employer at the business because I believe there were going to be people there, and I just thought it was going to be safer. Luckily I didn't, because the place I was renting, actually the roof had caved in and everything was flooded out. So I know how dangerous it can be, and I just hope that you don't take any unnecessary risks and you stay safe. Once again, this is to everybody in that area, and also if you have friends and family in that area, I'm wishing everybody the best. And I hope to see you safe and sound in December when I get there. So, I love y'all out there. See you soon.